Then align these text box in same direction. Select this text box, press Ctrl key and select this text box. Press mouse and drag down. After that, click on Sales by Region sheet. I put these all 5 cell references in these 5 cell references. So active this cell, enter equal sign, then active this cell, press enter key. Enter equal sign, press enter key, select this cell reference, format these values. Now I can extract these values in the dashboard. So the name of this cell reference is D4. Type here D4, press enter key. Similarly, select all, enter equal sign, click on this cell reference, press enter key. Then type here, this is D4, D5 and D6. Select all, enter equal sign, then select D7, select all, enter equal sign, select this cell reference, press enter key. Next I format these values. Select this color for this value, click on bold, increase the text size up to 16, resize, then I format these text box. Click on format painter, click on this text box, then click on this text box and click on this text box. Press Ctrl key, press mouse and move left. Similarly, press mouse and move right.